welcome to our YouTube channel, and today we are going to learn how to get loud and better sound on Windows device. So let's get started. So if you are using your Windows PC or your laptop and you want to enhance your device sound. So to do that, what you have to do is just simply follow some easy steps. So now what you can do is in your keyboard you have to just type in on the Windows key, and after tapping on the Windows key you have to search for control panel. After searching for control panel, now you will open up your control panel settings. From here, what you have to do is just simply tap on this option which is view by. And now if it's on category, what you have to do is just simply change it to large icons. And after changing it to large icons, just tap on this option which is sound. And after tapping on sound, now you'll open up your sound settings. So from here, what you have to do is you have to just simply tap on this option which is speakers. After tapping on speakers, now you'll open up your speaker settings. From here, you have to tap on this option which is custom and then make sure that it is not turned on. So if your limited output is turned on, what you have to do is just turn it off. And after turning it off, now you have to head over to your advanced, and in your advanced you will find this option which is default format. So now if it's not on the highest bit, you just have to change it to the highest bit that your device can offer. So my device can offer me 24 bit, 48,000 Hz. So if you have more than that, you can just simply select that option. And after selecting it, now what you have to do is just simply head over to this option which is single enhancement. And now if it's not enable auto enhancement, then what you can do is just simply enable it. So if it's disabled, just tap on enable, and after enabling all these options, now you just have to tap on OK. After tapping on OK, again tap on OK, and now it will just open up your YouTube and any other website and then try to view any video. You will find out that your noise has been enhanced. So this is the way how you can enhance noise on your Windows device. So that's it guys, this is how to get loud and better sound on Windows device. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. If you have any doubts, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.